Hey guys, today at Sherry to Sherry, I'm doing a pork loin in the Instapot. Watch till the end so you can get the oven directions. You're going to need rosemary, Italian all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of oil. Put your 1.5 to 3 pound pork loin in a freezer bag and put 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary per side and 1/2 tablespoon of Italian seasoning per side. Marinate 30 minutes or more. Turn your Instapot on saute. As it warms up, put a splash of oil in. And when it's warm, put in your pork loin from the freezer bag. You're going to want to brown it on both sides. And based on how hot your Instapot is, it'll take about 3 to 5 minutes per side. And you want to turn it over. And then once you get both sides done, you want to hold it up with the tongs and brown the two insides there as you see in the video. Once the sides are brown, remove the pork loin to a plate and then put in 1/2 cup of veggie broth to deglaze the bottom of the Instapot. By deglazing the Instapot bottom, you're using the veggie broth with a spoon that's appropriate to get all the bits off the bottom and so it won't burn. Add the remaining 1.5 cups of veggie broth to the Instapot and hit cancel to stop the saute. Using your tongs, return the pork loin back into the Instapot and then put the lid on, lock the lid. Make sure it's in the sealing position and then set your pressure cooker on 15 minutes pressure cook or manual pressure. Natural pressure release 5 or 10 minutes or quick release opening the lid away from you. Check the temperature. It should be 145 if medium rare and 160 for medium. Put the pork loin on a plate and let it rest 5 minutes. Holding the loin with tongs, slice it to your desired thickness and then place back in the Instapot in the warm broth until ready to serve. For oven directions, you would brown it on all sides and then put in the oven for 350 for 45 minutes to an hour depending on the weight. We had baked potatoes and asparagus with cheese for our dinner with this pork loin. It was very good. I hope you try it for your family. Please like, share, and comment below. Another great side is baked beans. I'll add the link below. Thanks for watching.